What is up, you guys? Welcome back to your average gent. My name is Evan. As you can see from the title, I just got myself a new laptop and I've been dying to unbox this one. But I want to share with you guys my joy and unbox this in front of the camera. So I'm going for exchange to the USA this semester and I want to get myself a new laptop. By the time you guys are watching this video, I'll be in another time zone already. So since I'm flying overseas, I want to get this laptop at the airport, at the duty-free store. But when I called them up, they actually told me that they need at least 3 to 4 weeks for the order to be processed and shipped to their store. I couldn't get it at the airport, so I got it from online instead. So next time, if you guys want to get a laptop or MacBook from the airport, remember you must call the store at least 3 to 4 weeks before your departure. As I was scrolling down Apple's website, I actually saw that they have a staff and student discount for university students. So I clicked on that and got myself a $100 discount. So for you guys, if you are looking to buy a MacBook or any Apple product, do go to their website and check out if there's any discount for you. So without further ado, let me start unboxing this bad boy. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Nope, there's nothing inside the box. And yep. Got my knife. Must be really careful. Wow, look at this. Okay, so what I got here is a MacBook Pro 2017. I ordered the 256 GB internal SSD and 16 GB of RAM. Let's open this up. Oh, it's a little bit hard to lift this. Okay, so this is the cover. Put it here. Woo. Okay, so this is the moment that we all been waiting for. Oh my god, I can't contain my excitement. Look at this. Okay, let's put this aside first and let's check out what is inside first. Leave the best for the last. So inside the box, okay, so before that, this is the back of the box, nothing special here. Inside we have a, looks like a cord. So this will be the charging cord. Let's put it here. This looks like it's a instruction manual. Yep, it says MacBook Pro, and just nothing much over here. Some paperwork, some Apple stickers. Apple stickers. Oh, this is some more paperwork. This is in Chinese. Okay, so this is, yep, this is about it. This is the adapter, and this is the plug. So yep, I guess this is what you get in a MacBook Pro. Yep, you can't actually remove this, so this is what you get. Okay, let's put this two aside. The paperwork aside. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna peel this right in front of you guys. Whoa! Wow! This is actually my first MacBook that I got for myself. First impression. As you can tell from my expression, this is gorgeous. Okay, and this is if I'm not wrong, this is a little bit less than 1.4 kg, which is about 2 pounds, 2.2 pounds. Okay, let's open this up. So this is the front with the Apple logo. I got the Mac black version, and this is the back. Okay, let's open it up. Wow. Okay, so this is the film. Oh, it automatically switches on. So I didn't get the one with the touch bar function because it is actually an extra 400 Singapore dollars and about 300 more USD. And although I tried on the touch bar in the store itself, it is useful, but I don't think I would want to spend an extra $400 for the touch bar. Maybe in the future, MacBooks, I don't know, but now I'm happy with this. This is the 13-inch 256 GB SSD, 16 GB RAM. Yep. Wow, I'm overjoyed. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what it shows after it loads finish. I just think that it's nice that when you first get it, when you first open the lid, it just automatically switches on and allow you to set it up. So let's wait for a while. Oh, okay. So first, it asked me what's the language that I want to choose. English, obviously. Wow, the trackpad is huge. I just finished setting up. It takes about less than 5 minutes, so it's very convenient. Another thing I really like about Apple is their service. When I just got this laptop, they sent me an email congratulating me, and they offered me this one-on-one calling session to teach me how to use my new MacBook, those little tricks and everything that you need to know about using this MacBook. And now I'm gonna show you guys my setup in filming a video. So there you go. That's all for my setup. It's just my phone and a tripod. So this is what I use to film my videos. It's my iPhone 7. The reason why it is so clear is because I go to the settings and you go to camera and you go to record video. I actually set it on 180p HD at 60 frames per second. You can actually set it at 4K, but it's gonna be really huge when you record your video. The file is gonna be so huge. So 180p HD is enough for me. So that is how I film a video on my camera. I like to use natural lighting, so I try to film outside as much as I can. But yeah, as you know, Singapore is a very rainy country, so sometimes I do have to film at home. Basically, if you want to start filming videos and create a YouTube channel, if you have a phone and if you have a laptop, you are all set and you are good to go. So hopefully this video inspires some of you out there who wants to create a YouTube channel or who wants to make videos and you're afraid to do so because you think that it is expensive or you think that it's very difficult to produce a video. It is not. So that's it for this week's video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. And as always, I will see you guys next week.